All right. So now this problem is giving us a little bit more of a realistic approach to life, really, in terms of chemistry. So I always like to draw our island. Let's identify all of our things, okay? So a few things you should think about. So nitroglycerin, it's got this formula, okay? So that's this one right here. It's a powerful explosive. Upon detonation, it decomposes to form nitrogen, which is N2, which is this one. Carbon dioxide, CO2, which is this one. Water, H2O, which is this one. And oxygen, O2, okay, which is that one. So once again, when you see these problems, find everything and recognize everything and know what it is you have. All right? So here's our problem. Detonation of 0.2 kilograms nitroglycerin. So 0.2 kilograms of this stuff, okay, produces 6.55 grams of O2. So 6.5 point, darn it, my decimal points don't always work. Okay, so we make that one. So then our question is just, what's the percent yield for oxygen? Okay, percent yield, just you have to remember, percent yield equals how much you make over how much you calculate times 100%. In other words, to think about it is absolute or over theoretical, or absolute, I don't know why I said absolute, times 100%. Actual over theoretical is a better way to say it. So let's say actual. How much you actually make over how much you theoretically make. Okay. So they told us this number right here is how much you make. So we have to figure out how much you calculate. We have to calculate how much would we make it starting here. Okay. This is a Module 5 problem. Okay. So we're just going to do it. It's nitroglycerin. I'm going to call it NG. Nitroglycerin, okay? So we have 0.2 kilograms nitroglycerin, okay? 1 kilogram nitroglycerin, 1,000 grams. You guys have to know that, okay? There's just no way around the metric system, all right? There's 227.1 grams of nitroglycerin and 1 mole of nitroglycerin. Okay, and then by our formula up above, we have 4 moles nitroglycerin and 1 mole O2. And then for every 1 mole of O2, there's 32 grams of O2. Again, let's back up just a little bit. 3 sig figs right there. 3 sig figs right here. So our answer will have 3. So we don't even have to think about it. So what do we have to do? We need to figure out O2 in terms of grams because that's how the problem is. It tells us it produces grams of O2. So we're going to, our actual and our theoretical need to both be in the same unit. So they both need to be in grams. Okay. So I say we make 7.05 grams of O2. That's our theoretical. In other words, that's assuming that we make all of it. I don't know who's calling me. That's assuming we make all of it. Okay. 100% yield. Okay. So, now, then our percent yield equals 6.55 grams of O2. That's how much we actually made, over 7.05 grams of O2 times 100% equals 92.9%. Oops. 92.9%. That's 3 sig figs. That's how much we make. So hopefully that makes sense to you.